We have a 2009 KLX Supermoto Motard version. So it's got really stiff springing on the shock, the forks, and it's got the Motard wider wheels with the bigger rotors and the big street tires, and it has an aftermarket Two Brothers Racing exhaust. Other mod is there's a fender eliminator kit with these little signals on each side, so the whole thing is pretty narrow, pretty tight. Other than that, it all appears to be stock. Runs really great, runs out strong, sounds good with the exhaust, shifts good and positive and hard. I was a little nervous with a Motard bike what kind of use it had seen, but I think it was, as the guy said, he just used it as a commuting bike. Electronic dash, choke it under here.